Hello and welcome, or welcome back, to the GWSDAT tutorial series. Today we're going to be covering saving a session. This video specifically covers saving and restoring sessions in GWSDAT. To find the Save section, click the More tab here and click Save Session. And here, you're able to download the current analysis session to a .rds file. Simply name the file something appropriate and click Download. It'll download the file to a device. This is especially useful for larger data sets, which may take a long time to fit the underlying model. This does save everything, including the color scheme, plot options, and current solute. And once you've saved it, you can forward the file to another user for them to view it exactly as it was saved. If you are using the Excel data input interface, then using the Restore Session option, seen in video 3.2, can be used to open a previously saved .rds session. And alternatively, using the Load Data function in video 3.3 will do the same for the online interface. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or feedback, there is a link to a feedback form in the description of the video.